Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate task delegation with Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start automating task delegation in Trello, first, log into your Trello account. Create a new board or select an existing one where you want to implement automation. Next, add teams or members who will be involved in the project to your board. Now, create lists based on your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. After setting up your lists, for automation, navigate to the automation menu at the top of your board. Click on Create Command to begin setting up your automation rule. Choose the trigger for your automation, such as when a card is moved to a specific list. Decide what action you want the automation to perform, like assigning the card to a specific member. You can also set conditions for the automation, ensuring it only triggers under certain circumstances. Once you have defined your trigger and actions, click on Save to finalize your automation rule. To test your automation, perform the action that should trigger it. Check to see if the designated tasks are assigned to the right members as intended. If everything works smoothly, your automation is now set. For more complex automations, explore the options available in the Trello Butler feature. Make adjustments to your automation rules as your workflow evolves. Regularly monitor and refine your automations to ensure they remain effective. By following these steps, you can streamline your task delegation process in Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.